In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on LED alerts for notifications on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. So first open up your settings and there scroll down until you find accessibility. Here scroll down for a bit and hit on audio visual. And there scroll to the very bottom and here you got LED flash for alerts option. Just get into it. So by clicking on first toggle you enable that option and here you see two more extra options. It's flash while unlocked and flash in silent mode. You can enable or disable that options if you want. So now when LED flash for alerts is enabled, this flashlight on the back side of your device will flash if you get notifications on your device. And basically that's it, that's how it works. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.